In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and solve the issue of having too many users on Google Drive. Sharing files on Google Drive is incredibly useful for team collaboration and keeping everyone on the same page, but sometimes files can end up being shared with too many people. When this happens, you may experience slower performance, confusion over who can edit, or simply want to tighten permissions for security. To start, head over to your Google Drive homepage by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to drive.google.com. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account so you can access all your files and folders. This is your central hub for managing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other media stored in the cloud. If you notice that a file or folder has been widely shared, the first step is to locate that specific file. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through your folders to quickly find it. Once located, click on the file to select it. This will reveal various options, including the sharing settings. Next, look for the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person with a plus sign or sometimes a link icon. Clicking this opens the sharing settings, showing a list of all users and groups that currently have access to the file. Here, you can see what level of access each person has, whether they are a viewer, commenter, or editor. To adjust permissions, click on the access level next to each user's name. If you want to remove a user completely, simply click the Remove Access option. This immediately revokes their access, tightening your file security. It's important to review this list carefully and ensure that you only remove users who do not need access while keeping collaborators who are actively working on the file. Additionally, consider changing your file's link sharing settings if the file was shared via a public link. You can restrict it to only specific people instead of anyone with the link, which further reduces the chance of accidental access. Regularly reviewing your shared files is a great habit that improves both security and performance. By following these steps, you can streamline Google Drive, prevent unnecessary users from accessing sensitive content, and ensure your shared files remain secure and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more useful tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you get the most out of Google Drive.